Hey guys, it's a mother-daughter day. We're about to get our day started. We want to get our nails and our feet done and just talk about some things to catch up from school. Ashley started high school. We're going to talk about some things that we do and some upcoming things that we got going. All right, Ashley, you gonna drive today? You gonna drive today? You haven't drove in a while. You gonna drive today? We'll see. You gonna drive? Okay, so this is like our time to like catch up because with Ashley just starting high school is a little more complicated. I think when it comes to like some of the classes that you've been taking, like AP and things like that. Right. But like, what do you think is like the difference between middle school and high school? What's the difference?
So middle school is like, high school you have more freedom, more than middle school. Like at my school we have like an hour period of lunch. It's called refuel. So I like that better. Like in middle school we only have like break and stuff, and we didn't like, it was less freedom. So you get to
socialize more. Yeah. So like, were you nervous going into high school? Because that's a big difference. Like all of the kids are bigger. And like that's a lot to adjust to. So like I remember
the classes are way harder.
Yeah. That's why Ashley's been taking a break, because everybody keep asking me like, where's Ashley? We wanted to just focus on school because that's most important.
Right.
You know, social media is fun. Just like even adults, I think, need breaks sometimes.
Right.
Okay, so high school. I remember being in high school. It was so many boys and all my friends was dating and had boyfriends. What you doing?
I'm chilling.
You chilling?
Yes.
But boys, they not trying to talk to you?
I mean, that's for another day.
But what about your girl? Like your friends, are they dating? Like everybody is dating. Usually like at this age everybody is dating.
Yeah.
And the one thing that you know, we talk about, and I always try to make sure that you understand about dating, because I can't be with you all the time. I can't be like, you know, because like when we was raised, my mom used to be like, stay away from boys. I don't feel like that is informing a young adult on what to do and what not to do. All they did was make me curious.
Right.
So like, what is the one, like if you remember anything that you could share with, you know, them, that I always tell you about dating when you're young, like what's the most thing that you remember that stuck out to you the most that I told you about dating?
So is it recording?
Yes, it's recording.
So you always told me that it's like dangerous when you're young and like trying to like boys and stuff like that. It can like affect you emotionally a lot
because you're too young and underdeveloped. Right. Because like you don't have any control of your emotions. Like I can't tell you, because I don't know exactly like what you're doing, because I remember being your age. Like I can't, you know, say, Ashley, don't, you know, you just gonna go do it. But I just want you to be like informed on what can happen, because I see kids like killing themselves. You know, getting on drugs and different things like that, going through depression. Because you really are not, you know, developed enough to handle all of that. That's the only thing that I try to like make sure that you understand. And you know, people that's watching this, or young people that might be watching this, or even parents that don't know how to talk to their child about, you know, dating, because most times, like I said, my mother was like, don't date. That's not enough information. You know, you agree, right?
Okay guys, we just made it to the nail salon, and we are about to get our nails done. And I'm about to do, I don't know what I'm gonna get actually.
Nail salon check. Okay, so 55. Yes, favorite nail shop check. Ain't that what they say? What's up, Siraj? This is Nails by Nancy, baby, in here hooking Ashley up. That's so pretty. You like it, Ash?
Yeah.
So pretty. Best nail shop in Huntsville, Alabama.
Period.
No, best nail shop in the United States of America. Oh. I am not even lying. Let me see them up close. Looks good. Purple, lavender rather. That's good. Okay, so hold on, mine look good too.
No. No.
My little nubs, but they look good.
Okay, so we just got done getting our nails done, and I got like this lavender color. And what'd you get?
Same old. But it's cute.
And we'll go to the mall after that. And
okay, so adjust all your mirrors. No music. Make sure you. All right, we're still alive. And she is getting her drive on. Look at little Miss Ashley Bug staying in the lines. Good job. Are you nervous?
no, not anymore. I'm comfortable.
Uncomfortable.
Yeah.
She got that?
Yeah, this is good.
But it's not on sale.
It smells so good.
So somebody trying to trick me into these. Like, why you just can't get some regular house shoes?
These are not house shoes.
What are they?
They're sandals.
Sandals?
They're like furry slides. You know how furry slides are?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, old lady, hit the dance floor.
Ashley, come on, man. These are cute.
Okay.
Do y'all think these look corny? They cute. All right, I'm not gonna get nothing. Ashley, so you don't think I have any style?
No.
Why you say that? Yes, I do. Okay, so we are back, and I'm missing the stuff that I bought. So, Ashley, open the door. Okay, so I need my things because I think you made a mistake and took all my stuff. Or whatever it is that I got, because I feel like you got everything and I didn't get anything.
I think this is yours. Yeah, this is yours.
And you got all of that.
And
see, this is what happens when you have kids. You end up with a little and they end up with a lot. You got the red ones. And what I got? I just got foundation, everybody, and some smell good. She got everything. We're gonna call this Life of a Crumb Snatcher. That's what this is.
thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow on all of our social medias. It will be linked down below. And yeah, thanks for watching.
Crumb Snatcher.